Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamu alaikum. Class 7 English, Unit 3 Oil Spills, Lecture number 2. In the previous class, we completed the reading and explanation of the unit Oil Spills. In today's class, we will learn the meanings of the following vocabulary words from the text. The first word is adversely. Adversely means badly. For example, his health was adversely affected after being infected with coronavirus. Means his health was badly affected after being infected with coronavirus. Number 2, dilemma. Dilemma means problem. The global warming is a dilemma for us. Means it is a problem for us. Number 3, irreversible. Irreversible means irreparable. Something which cannot be repaired. Irreversible means irreparable. For example, his eyesight got irreversible after he lost it in an accident. Means it became irreparable. Number 4, catastrophe. Catastrophe means disaster. Disaster. There was a huge catastrophe or huge disaster because of the earthquake. Number 5, colossal. Colossal means huge, enormous, massive. So the colossal building collapsed in Karachi. The colossal means the huge building, the enormous building. Collapsed in Karachi means it broke down in Karachi. Now the next word is number 6, hazard. Hazard means danger. For example, smoking is a serious health hazard. Means smoking is a serious health danger or smoking is seriously dangerous to health. Number 7, misery. Misery means suffering. The war brought misery to thousands of people, or the war brought suffering to thousands of people. Number 8, inclement. Inclement means stormy. It will be an inclement weather today according to the reports. Means they are anticipating about the future because they have used will. So they are anticipating about the future that it will be an inclement or a stormy weather today according to the reports. Number 9, immense. Immense means extreme, too much. For example, it was an immense pleasure to meet my old friend, or it was an extreme pleasure, extreme happiness to meet my old friend. Number 10, devastation. Devastation means destruction. Destruction. For example, the devastation due to the fire was too much. The destruction, the devastation due to the fire was too much. Number 11, massive. Massive means huge. Just like colossal, massive also means huge. There was a massive blast in the market, means there was a huge blast in the market. Number 12, perish. Perish means die or end. For example, the plants perished due to lack of water and sunshine. Means the plants died due to lack of water and sunshine. Number 13, starvation. Starvation means hunger. The people of Africa are suffering from starvation. The people of Africa are suffering from starvation. Number 14, spillage. Spillage means flow or dripping. The spillage of milk on the floor caused a lot of mess, or the flow of milk on the floor caused a lot of mess. Number 15, combat. Combat means to fight. For example, use of sanitizers help us to combat with the spread of the virus. Means it helps us to fight with the spread of the virus. The next word, number 16, is suit. Suit has two meanings. One is used for the dress, but in this text, in this chapter, suit is used as a case which we file in the court. So he filed a suit against the customer for not paying his complete fee. Or he filed a case against a customer for not paying his complete fee. Number 17, deteriorating. Deteriorating means worsening. Worsening. The condition of the patient was deteriorating. The condition of the patient was deteriorating means it was worsening. It was getting bad. More bad. 18, vessel. Vessel basically means a container in which we keep something, but in this context it is used for a ship. The vessel broke in the mid of the sea means the vessel collapsed in the center, in the mid of the sea. The ship collapsed in the mid of the sea. Number 19, consequences. Consequences means result. It was the consequence of his carelessness that he got into an accident. Means it was the result of what? Of his carelessness, for not being careful, that he got into an accident. The last word, number 20, is aggravate. Aggravate means worsen. Just like deteriorating, this also means worsen, but this is more worse than deteriorating. Because if we do not stop the deteriorating condition, it aggravates, means it becomes more bad. We should help the pandemic from aggravating, means we should help the pandemic from worsening. So these are all the words which we have learned from this chapter. Now, your homework is to learn the meanings of the following words and write them in your English literature notebook. I will see you in the next class. Until then, take care and Allah Hafiz.